Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will learn how we can create a folder and how we can delete a folder. So for that, we need OS module. So we will just import it, import OS, and then to create a folder, we have a method called mkdir. So we can call it using os.mkdir, right? And inside it, we can provide the folder name. So I am giving it as new folder. So a new folder will be created at this location. I will show you the location also where my file is. So my file is here, create delete folder. So the folder will be created here itself. If you want to make this folder at some other location, you can give the absolute path, right? So now run this and go back to this location. You can see new folder is created here with the same name. Now if you want to delete this particular folder, so you can use a command os.rmdir. So first comment this one, otherwise it will give you an error because the script will run again and it will try to create the folder again, but it is already existed, so it will give you an error. So to delete this folder, give the name new folder and run this. Go back to the location. The new folder is no more available. So the folder is deleted using os.remove directory. So this is how you can create and delete the folders. Thank you.